So welcome to part 7 with everything in there that should be. So we've got this in a modified, that little bushing, well not modified it, but fitted a servo horn onto there, and it just cable ties around there to keep this in situ. The torque converter, we've sort of tidied up some of the wiring, put it in. Haven't sorted out the sort of the front diff. Yeah, don't know. I'm not sure what to do about that yet. But the servo's in. It's all working, which I'll just quickly show you. I think the batteries are going flat in this, but anyway, steering. That's all sort of lined up now. And then the power. That all works well. So what's next? Well, a massive bag of all the bits that I bought and spares that came off of this car and the other one. So it's a huge bag, so big it's split. But TA01 and TA02 parts, plastics, and all the other bits that come with it. So that's that. We've still got, I'm not sure which one to put this on. So these are adjustable turnbuckles, if you like. That's my understanding. Although I'm not sure how they go together. Oh, there is stuff in there, I think. Yeah, I think they butt up and they can be adjustable. So they need to go on. I showed you these in a really early video. Not sure what they are. I don't know what they are. They were listed under TA01 and TA02. I'm a bit confused on that. I haven't worked that one out yet. And then we've got the detailed wiper blade, this one, and we've got the electric version here. So I think, I'm not sure which one to put on. Let's just stick the body shell on. And there is that one. Hasn't had the windows smoked, and I suppose it could do with like the rally driver figure, which has like two sort of people in there, but it's all original but highly hopped up. So we've got that one and that one being the original TA01 and TA02 carbon fibre. Don't know which one you prefer, but they're both awesome actually. That's got original electrics in, like from back in the day electrics. Well, this one's got slightly more modern. But over the course of the summer, this is all I've been doing really. Hence why we got like 7 parts, which some might think that's too long, but yeah, I don't know. I actually quite like it. I mean, there's a couple of stickers that haven't stuck on there. What's going on? And it's bled through a little bit on there, which is is what it is, I suppose. But it's in reasonably good condition. I haven't painted the rear wing as I planned. It is, I don't know, it looks right white actually, I must say. Anyway, don't know what to do on that one yet, but it's just deciding what to do with that or what to do with that. So that'll still be in this part, the final fettling, if you like. This one's been smoked, this one hasn't, so maybe I'll put, I don't know, the electric ones on here and put the static ones on this one just as detail. Like I said, don't have to go on there, but yeah, I mean, it's all It's all well and good, but nothing. I mean, it hasn't got wing mirrors on it. I think I've got wing mirrors somewhere, but yeah, I'm quite chuffed with them actually. There's up underneath. You know, you saw that before. It's more standard, this one. It's also got that really old Tamiya racing pack that works. So there's the two escorts. I've now got to find out in my head, just to make sure. Well, I think that one will probably go on there, and that one go on there, and then we've got, I said, not sure what they are. Turnbuckles. We'll crack on with perhaps these wipers, which they're like, I don't know. I don't need to. I feel like a giant. They're so detailed. So I'm going to put those on there, and then we'll figure out these. Right, got this Endura. It's for 1/10 RC. It's for crawlers, but there's no reason why you can't put that onto a buggy. Although it's probably, I'll be honest, a crawler is going to be a lot slower moving. You know, chasing around an off-road track at reasonable speed with this on there might not be the best move. But anyway, so you can see it's got so many small bits in there. Oh my good grief, I don't know how I'm going to do this. There's no instructions either. Oh, there's another bag in there actually. It's so small. Oh my god. I mean, how is that even possible? Bet you there's nothing else in there. Yeah, look. I can't see them. Look at them. I mean, what the hell? I don't think I've got anything small enough. Like tool-wise. Oh my god, this not sure this would be a particularly great idea. So there's one, like, comes in 2 bags, and there's another one. Well, that's got rubbers, and that's the actual like frames of the wiper, and these are the sort of the rubber parts. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. How am I going to do that? I'm just going to tip some of these into here, or not some. I'm going to tip this bag into here. Right, the bag is empty. And it's all in there. Here come the tweezers. There's no way I'm going to see this. There's absolutely no way. So that's the arm. There's obviously 2 of them. But not the arm. That's the arm. The other bit's like the wiper part. And we've got like 2 little brackets in here. I'll show you one, but I don't know what I'm going to do. I can't see them. My eyes just don't work. And there's a little like bracket. The thing is, I'll tell you what I haven't got. I mean, you're going to need like watch tools, aren't you? I need another bowl. A bowl. I need something else. Something else other than chucking it all in there. I'm just going to use another plastic thing. But this has got even smaller parts. Now, I'm telling you right now, if I drop any of these, then not only am I dead, oh my god, that's not, but it's never going to be able to get done. Ever. I can't even show you that. Right, so we've got like, can you see that? We've got the rubber bit. a spring. I'm not well, a spring. I didn't show you that, but that. Oh my god! So I'll put that there. Must be one of each. There's like I don't know how many really tiny nuts. I need to just sort these out a minute. So how many have I got of each? So there's like 4 springs. 1, 2. Is that smaller than that? I've got some really small nuts, and then some not quite so small nuts, and 2 like grommets. I'm assuming that's just for the rubber bit. Oh god, right. And it obviously screws together. Oh my god, I can't even see it. I've got like a magnifying glass there, but it's not so much that. It's more I need like really tiny teensy wincy tools to put it together with, and I just don't. I don't think I've got them that small. Right, let me just I was going to do like a detailed build of these. That's just not going to happen because I can't see anything. So I'm going to just figure out maybe how to put one together, and then I might if I can figure that out, I'll show you how to do it. Maybe if I can see it. That's that done. Oh man, look. Oh, my eyes and my brain ache. Probably one of the toughest things I've done. Why do I bother? I'm not doing that now. No way. I'm also not doing that now. Oh, trying to find some door mirrors, but my eyes, look. Ugh. But they are on. They're overkill for what this is. As soon as I mean, they go on pretty well. Try and show you a bit of a closer up. See that? And they kind of. The good thing is they've got a little spring you put on, and it sort of springs it back down on the window lightly. I don't know how and why you'd have these on anything. I mean, and I didn't lose anything. You're not going to believe what I dropped though. They're in a bag, so you'd have to just bear with me. So there's 2 types of screws in there. Can you see the really small ones? Oh my life! I dropped one. It disappeared. It hit. I heard it hit. It hit me, and then it hit the floor. And I thought, well, that's that gone. And in my determination, I found it, and I used that, a magnet. Oh my god! And I found it. That is a win-win as far as I'm concerned. So I think for the time being, we're done. You'll be glad to say. For the TA01 and 2, there'll be update videos once I get these other bits put on. You know, those bits and those bits in there, and possibly those, but on the other car, the TA02. This is the TA01. That will conclude the TA series chassis builds. You'll be pleased to know. Next we'll be running them. Now, don't know if I get a chance yet, but there will be a running video soon, maybe next year. We'll have to see. And I'll stick all these videos in a playlist so that you can browse through them once this is uploaded, and then the job's a good one. So that was an enjoyable build. The other one's up here, but I won't get that down. You've seen loads and loads of pictures and stuff on that one, but let me know what you think. Did you enjoy it? We've also got, got those diff builds. There is a problem with the diff, I think. It's a bit stiff, so I've still not worked it out yet. But yeah, it does need like a rally figure in it, doesn't it? It needs one. Oh, that means only 2. That also means they need painting. I don't know. I might get, if you can still get them. If you can probably get them off eBay or something like that, can't you? But yeah, I might even get them professionally painted. They look really good, wouldn't they? Because it will cover everything. Although that one up there's got like smoked windows, these ones weren't smoked. So maybe get like the driver figure in there possibly, and get some wing mirrors on this, and the electric wipers on the other one. And the other few little bits here that are going to go in. But we're pretty much done, unless I get any, until some update videos. We'll on to the next build, really. What do you reckon? BBX. Let me show you what we've got. So we've got the BBX, all those mega hop-ups. That's next. Or Tamiya Thunder Shot. Or that one, what was called the Rough Rider. And there's absolutely tons of other stuff in here that I've not even got near, but either that one or that one. Well, not the rag. The BBX. So an absolute ton of hop-ups that one has. And so this one, I've got some other stuff coming from Bayi. You'd have seen a video on that. Yeah, so let me know. I'll put a poll up. Yeah, a poll in the video, and then you can vote. I keep showing the rag. Why? There we go, look. So, I'll let you decide. Goodbye TA01 for now. And TA02. Filming me, filming you. I hope you enjoyed that series. Give us a thumbs up, a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.